Guys, we're making smoked turkey breast on the pit barrel cooker. Coming up. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Today, like I said, we are doing a smoked turkey breast on the pit barrel cooker right there. Everybody say hi to Charlie. We also got the Weber kettle going. That'll be a different cook. Doing the brisket on that one. So, here's the deal. I do not like breast meat on chicken, on turkey, on, well, those are the only two things I can think of right now. But I don't like it. But being that this is Thanksgiving, I found a turkey breast. And I decided I want to do it my way and see if I can't make it juicy, delicious, and luscious all in one. I'm going to show you how I got this ready. This turkey breast is straight two big breasts on the breastbone. No legs, no wings, no nothing. And I washed it. I cleaned it up, patted it with a paper towel. Took some the Cajun Seasoning and some butter and melted that down. Took my injector and then just plunged it into the breast tissue and just kept going, just filling it up as much butter and seasoning as I can. Sorry, we're filming gorilla style right now. My other camera's not doing so well, so we're back on the iPhone, which is fine. We got a microphone. We're out here in the lovely outdoors. It's a beautiful day out here. It's 74 degrees in Southern California. If you guys aren't happy about that, I don't know what to tell you. That is nice. We need to put that waterfall on, huh? Some of us are doing work today. Others are not quite doing so much work today. It's Saturday. All right. So, and then we took some spray-on olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil. I saw this, Malcolm Wright did this on How to Barbecue Right. And he sprayed it down with the spray oil on the outside of the skin. So I'm going to mimic that one. I think it's a good idea. It'll make that skin nice and crispy, delicious. All right. It should take a couple hours. I'm going to put my temperature probe in it and just let it sit and do its thing. Once it comes up to about 165 or so, we'll pull it off, tin it, let it relax a little bit, and we should be good to go. About halfway through, I'll check it, spray it with some more of that spray olive oil if I need to, but it should be good to go. We're going to try this. We're going to do this together. I know that pit barrel is going to do the dang thing, do it right. All right, guys. Come on back and you'll see how we put this thing together. All right.
And the sun is finally setting. The night sky is changing overhead. It's not just a physical. I won't get out so critical. So let's make things physical. I won't treat shit like you're so typical.
All right, guys, we're an hour in. We're about 100 degrees, so Sorry about the outside noise. We're about 100 degrees, so we got some time to go. Well, it's looking nice and lovely. Look at those colors. Alright guys, we're about 2 hours in. We're looking at temperatures about 160 right now. Still got a little bit ways to go. It's getting a little dark, so we're going to spray some more of this olive oil on it. Got a little flamage, it's a little dark, but it's still tasty. Alright. Come on back and we'll have this off and we'll be doing the taste. Alright guys, we're back. We let this rest for a good half hour. So we're just going to carve into it and see if the injection really helped. Yeah, look at juicy. Look at juicy. Alright, you can see where we injected. I like cutting it thin. Smells wonderful. Alright, let's cut a little bite. Obviously it's still a little warm. Pretty good. Yeah, that's the stuff right there. Moist, tender, flavorful. The butter injection, oh, it's killing it. Let's try a little piece of the skin here. So much flavor. Not as crispy as I like, but we're smoking it, we weren't heating it up. So alright. Alright guys, well, I hope this helped you get ready for Thanksgiving. You can do all the injections, all the stuff on a regular bird, which is what I will do when we have our Thanksgiving dinner. But this turned out really well. I told you, I don't like white meat chicken or white meat chicken, white meat turkey, whatever normally. But this is some good stuff. I'm glad I injected it, filled it full of flavor. We're good to go. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.